So here in Hong Kong, 98% of all businesses are small to medium sized. So my question is, why are these SMEs underserved by banks? My name is Jeremy. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Arival Bank, and I believe the future of digital banking belongs to small and medium-sized businesses, and I can prove it. Our story started in Singapore about 1 year ago when my fintech venture capital fund started to get approached by hundreds of different businesses coming to us with the same problem. Banks were either closing their accounts or not giving them the products and services they need to operate on a day-to-day level. We quickly realized that this problem was universal. Businesses across the world, whether they're startups, freelancers, or even crypto-related businesses, are facing this challenge of being disconnected from the banking system. Arival is the first digital fintech bank for SMEs. We're on a mission to not only make banking easier for these kinds of businesses, but really give them the qualitative products they deserve. We're powered by open API banking, meaning we can partner with some of the best fintechs on the market and integrate their products and services into our platform. Above all, we deliver a full suite of products and services designed for SMEs. Now, today you're in for a real treat, because for the very first time, I'll be unveiling Arival OS, our banking platform for businesses. And I'll be giving you an inside look of what fintech banking is all about. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll begin with a use case. Divine Ventures is a startup that was recently onboarded and has their accounts all set up. We'll jump right into the interface. What you see right now is our dashboard. And we think it's very powerful for several reasons. The first of which is because it breaks down your accounts and recent transactions, which is expected. But moreover, it's very intuitive. It gives you different data metrics and information to make intelligent financial decisions as a business. Whether it's your P&L statement that you can see here, or revenue by channels, which of course you can filter by year, month, week, so on and so forth. But I also want you guys to realize how smart and user-friendly our dashboard is, whether it's saving your transaction drafts and transfers that you have yet to complete, or different templates, so frequent transactions that you typically do with consistent business partners. But at the same time, it's very intuitive and user-friendly from the standpoint that we have different customization options, whether you want to put it into day mode or keep it in night mode. And we have this little shortcut button that makes sending money, creating invoices, and other favorite aspects of your banking interface accessible within 1 or 2 clicks. And of course, we have access to our customer support channel at any time because we encourage transparent communication. Now, the very essence of traditional banking is twofold. The first of which is being able to store money on an account, and the second is being able to move it in and out. So let's talk about the former. One of the best things about Arival is that we offer borderless banking, meaning we can onboard businesses from any part of the world 100% online. But what's even better is that we offer multi-currency accounts. So here you can see Divine Ventures has 2 registered entities, one in the US and one in the UK. And they have the ability to select which currencies they want for which entity. For instance, for the US one, they went ahead and chose Singapore dollar, USD, and British pounds. Whereas for their UK entity, they've chosen Hong Kong dollar, USD, and euros. And I'm sure you can imagine the different benefits of having multi-currency accounts. Let's talk about the latter part of traditional banking. Let's see how fast we can actually transfer on our platform. We can offer international transfers or domestic transfers. For today, we'll stick with domestic. Let's go ahead and choose the recipient. We'll enter Adobe, our software partner. Since we're in Hong Kong, let's go ahead and choose our Hong Kong-based currency account. Let's key in maybe $2,000, and we'll tag it so our accounting team can refer to it later as software. We'll go ahead and press send, confirm and send, and there it is. Within a few seconds, you're able to transfer money as a business. So what makes this different? Let me take you into the future. I want you to pay close attention to this icon. Because right here, what we did is we've identified about 10 verticals in fintech that are really tailored for SMEs. And I'll tell you why. Right now, traditional banks, I'm sure many of you can agree, cannot really deliver 5 to 10 premier products and services in one platform. So what does this mean for businesses as their customers? Businesses are forced to navigate different banks, different fintechs, and different vendors that really provide them the products and services they're looking for as a business. I'm sure you can imagine how chaotic this experience is. Going from place to place, downloading all these apps, maybe 20 to 30 of them, creating all these new accounts, all these new logins. This is not friendly or optimal for a business. So what if I told you all your favorite fintechs can exist in one bank, in your bank? Let me show you what I mean. So we offer anything from corporate expense cards to mobile point of sales to online acquiring, lending, and even online factoring. Let's talk about corporate expense cards, shall we? Here, we can integrate somebody like Brex or Marqeta, leading fintech players within this vertical. Or let's talk about mobile point of sales, where we can integrate somebody like SumUp to make your life easier as a business, so you don't have to go elsewhere. The logins are now unified. The movement of money is more transparent than ever, and the data is aggregated because it's in one interface connected to your bank account. Another good example is actually online acquiring, where we can actually partner up with somebody like Stripe and also integrate their solution into our platform. Now, I want to end the demo today with a few things. The first of which is that SMEs have historically been the backbone of our economy for as long as we can remember. And we don't anticipate this changing anytime soon. But right now, they're totally disconnected from the banking system. We're here to change this. But we believe the essence to a great banking experience is partnering with fintechs. So if you're a fintech here today, and you think your product or service should be on our platform, let's have a chat. If you're an investor and you want to discover this new world of fintech banking, or if you're a bank and want to help us expand into your market through a sub-licensing deal, come see us. Thank you very much.